So now we come to paper 2 of the CA Foundation examination, Business Laws and Business Correspondence Reporting, also known as BCR. The law portion of the examination consists of 60 marks and the BCR portion of the examination consists of 40 marks, giving it a total of 100 marks. Business Laws is one paper that is going to be with us throughout our CA journey, and it is a purely theory-based paper with various sections and subsections to be covered under different acts. Students are expected to have a conceptual understanding. Only then will they be able to solve the application-based questions put forward by ICAI. To make your understanding better, we recommend repetitive study of the same content multiple times, along with which you should be solving the practical questions available on the ICAI website. Preparation of your very own short notes for future reference is highly recommended. Studying your own short notes with your own handmade mnemonics will do wonders when it comes to recalling your content. And finally, for students who consider the law paper as your enemy, we recommend to add the law paper to your timetable on an alternative day basis. Do not keep more than a 2-day gap between the revisions. As always, students are expected to solve all the mock examinations available as well.